Welcome to the Daughter Arise channel. My name is Yvonne and this channel is all about bringing you content surrounding childhood sexual abuse. On this channel, I share things that I went through as a survivor of childhood sexual abuse, things that I found helpful, things that I found difficult. I also share some stories around things that I went through as a result of going through childhood sexual abuse. And on this channel, I share news stories, add commentary to it, and other survivors' stories to raise awareness of how sexual abuse affects lives. If you are a survivor, if you're somebody that's been affected by childhood sexual abuse, then subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that you can be notified of any new uploads. And if you like the content that I share, please hit the like button. So today really is just a quick video to let you know about my ebook, which is aimed at practitioners and professionals that work with young people and children harmed by familial sexual abuse. I decided to develop this ebook as a further resource to the workshops that I run on familial sexual abuse and its effects, to empower practitioners and professionals who work with children. Throughout my workshops, as I've mentioned on my other video, I've been able to be part of group working with social workers, early years practitioners, police, mental health staff and professionals who have experiences of working with children sexually abused within the family environment. This ebook is made up of a number of quick at-a-glance tips. I've designed the book to be like this because I understand from just my conversations with professionals and practitioners that there is a lot of paperwork and reading that they have to do anyway, besides dealing with the real matter of looking after these children who are affected by these issues. So this book really is a short, powerful, impactful book where the professional or the practitioner can get quick at-a-glance tips to support the young person. I believe the insights that have been shared through the group working in my workshops, my experience as a young person, a child that went through familial sexual abuse, and some of the things that I believe would have helped me as a young child going through it will prove impactful and powerful to those who are working with children affected by this issue. The ebook is available on my website, YEMEempowerment.com. That is my empowerment company that facilitates the empowerment of people through media, resources and services. You can go to the store page on that website and you can purchase the ebook from there. Once you purchase it, which is done via PayPal, you will be able to access this ebook. It will be available at some point on my Daughter Arise website. My Daughter Arise charity is an organisation I run to provide peer empowerment for survivors, but for now it's available on YEME Empowerment. I will leave links to my company down below in the description box and also to my charity Daughter Arise. If you are a professional, or maybe you know somebody who is a professional or practitioner that works with children and young people, please share this resource with them, because the more practitioners and professionals that know about this ebook means that more children and young people will be empowered through their situations. Until the next video, take care.